Power outages happen often. They always seem to happen when you least expect it and are unprepared, so it's important to be ready. Surge Bulb makes it easier than ever to prep, with installation as easy as screwing in a light bulb. With high-capacity lithium-ion battery technology, surge bulbs can be installed into any standard light socket. Screw them in any standard light socket, and when the power goes out, the bulb will still shine bright for up to 6 hours and is controlled by the switch on your wall. They're self-charging when the power is on and so easy to use. Whether your power goes out due to a hurricane, storm, blizzard, or any other type of outage, Surge Bulb has you covered. It's also great for camping and fishing trips where you may not have electricity. These bright LED bulbs were developed with smart technology that saves power and are highly efficient. They're comparable to a 60-watt incandescent light bulb. Another great feature is that you can attach the included power cap and hold the bulb as a flashlight in your hand and switch it on or off when needed. Surge Bulb is a hassle-free product that every household needs to stay safe and protected. They use 80% less energy, have a 25,000-hour lifespan, and are extremely functional. By replacing all light bulbs in your house, you will not only save on electricity, but also have light when the power goes out. Put it in your shed, closets, and light fixtures. Use it while working on your car or in the dark outside. There are so many ways to use Surge Bulb. With over 600,000 positive reviews, you have to experience this bulb yourself. Protect your home and family. Place your order today.